Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 18th of March 2014. You're watching Bitstamp in multiple time frames. With yesterday weekly analysis, obviously there was two hypotheses right in front of us. One was the potential uptrend, and the other one obviously possible corrections and the continuation of the retracement. As you can see, this one was yesterday's market. We have new low figures here, and obviously a lower high that potentially is trying to break or penetrate $604 with 50 cents. Like I said on previous weekly analysis, this particular support is important for the price itself. If the price manages to penetrate this particular area, we might see the price trying to reach 523, which is actually where the SMA 200 is located. But the main support should be this particular area, which is actually near the $535. So that's something that we might experience during this particular rest of the week. However, we see some kind of particular situations right now. Some of the speculators or some of the market makers are trying to push the price once again towards areas such as below 500, and why not the SMA 200. We see several interesting big orders in different trading platforms right now that is trying to push the price once again to find minimum areas where price can be as weak as possible, obviously to buy big volumes, and why not trying to push the price once again to a new potential rally. However, right now we see situations that we might continue this particular correction, and why not the price might try to reach the SMA 200 on the daily chart, which will see will show us opportunities in the small time frames with lower highs in time frames such as 240-minute chart or 60-minute chart. Too soon to tell, but we can definitely see that something is happening right now, especially on the seller's side. The low volume is actually quite it's a situation that we have to pay attention to it, because anyone with a decent amount of coins or with a decent orders size order can actually move the market on his own terms, basically. So we have to keep an eye on that situation that is happening right now. And this is the 12-hour chart. Once again, price was trying to consolidate. We still get it. We still see a fluctuation between supports and resistance, but right now we see that this higher low is failing, and actually price is trying to push itself down below the support, which is located at 604 with 50. And if the price managed to reach such an area, the next particular area in question is 567, actually 535, and after that, well, as you can see, the next bottom floor is actually 400. Well, it doesn't look very good at the moment for some of the people that bought in a little bit above 710, but obviously this is something that how the market is right now reacting based on the situations we see so far. And the last thing that we're gonna explain today is about 240-minute chart. As you can see, price is below the SMA 200. We go a new lower high already built, and right now the price managed to reach the bottom tail of this particular support. As you can see, the bottom tails of these candlesticks, two things can happen. A new uptrend will try to bring a new lower high, and will try to push the price once again below 604. The other situation, or the other hypothesis, could be the fact that buyers try to push the price towards actually above 629 to deny this particular lower high and push the price once again to 639. Why not 640? Something that it might happen, but so far we see a lot of potential on the correction that is happening at the moment, and sellers still got full control of the situation. Good times for small time frames to appear, and use counter trends as an option. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.